Hi there, this is Emma. Welcome back to another Community Suite how-to video. And in today's video, I'm going to be discussing Community Suite's memberships feature. Moving over to the left-hand side here, I will click into the Memberships tab. When we first click into the Memberships tab, we land on this dashboard. This dashboard will give you a high-level overview of the amount of revenue you've raised from your memberships, how many memberships have been purchased, number of transactions, unique customers, and it will also track your transactions and gross revenue on a weekly basis. You will also be able to see your memberships by type and your revenue by payment type. So this will allow you to see if you have multiple membership options, which are the most popular, as well as if people prefer to pay online or offline. So the first step to creating your memberships will be to create your memberships homepage. Your memberships homepage can be used to describe your member benefits and will showcase all of your available membership options. Clicking into the membership homepage button, we will now start our setup. Starting on the General tab, we will input our membership home name, page slug, short description, and feature image. The feature image and short description will be visible if shared within your community site or if it is shared on social media. Now that I have entered my content, you can see that I have uploaded my home name, my short description of purchase your membership here, and my feature image. If you are having trouble gathering a feature image, you can ask our assistant Bobby to give you an AI generated image. When you are happy with this, you can then click Save on the bottom right and navigate to the Configuration tab on the left-hand side. On this Configuration tab, you can choose to have your membership category tile show and how many memberships are to be shown per category. The purpose of having membership categories are to help guide your members in their purchase. So for example, you could have a category for family memberships and a category for individual memberships. For example, in the family membership, you might have a membership that's valid for a family of 4 and a different membership option that's valid for a family of 6. On this tab as well, you will upload your membership home description, which could essentially be a description of your member benefits or any information that someone who's looking to purchase a membership would need to know. Now that I have made my changes, I will click Save on the bottom right and navigate to the Media tab on the left-hand side. On this Media tab, you'll notice that there is a few different media positions to choose from. Running through these different options, starting with header and body only, this essentially means that you do not want to have an image present on your page, so it will just be the page title at the top with your description right below that. Media on the left, this is essentially best with square images, so you could have a square image on the left-hand side of the page with your description on the right-hand side right beside it. Media full width at the top, this is essentially best with banner images, so you can have a long banner image at the top of the page with your page title and description appearing right below that. And then you can choose to use custom blocks only, so this is best if you would like to fully customize your page from scratch. There is more detail about this in our written guides as well, and for the purpose of today's video, I will be using the media full with that top option. Playing around with the different settings here, you have a few options to choose from for the banner aspect ratio, but I will be keeping it as a wide banner. For the banner max height, I don't want it to take up too much of my page, so I will be changing this to 50% view height. And I will keep the image anchor in the center. You can choose to add multiple images that will carousel throughout, but for the purpose of today's video, I will just keep it to the one image. And if you would like to preview how this will look on your page, you can choose this Show Sizing Behavior button. Once you are happy with how this looks, you can click Save on the bottom right and navigate over to the Layout tab. On this Layout tab, I will note that all of the menu options on the left-hand side here are condensing the true view of this page. So I always recommend clicking this preview button to see what it will look like on a full desktop screen. However, it does give you a rough idea of how your page is going to look. And if you would like to add additional content to this page, you can do so by clicking this Add Block to End. We have a variety of different types of blocks that you can add, ranging from image blocks to text blocks to side image, column, etc. So you have a lot of options to choose from for really customizing your page. Since I am happy with how my page is looking, I will move on to the visibility tab on the left-hand side. On this visibility tab, you can set the status to live, meaning that it can be visible on your site, draft, meaning that you're still editing, so it won't be visible, and archived is the first step to deleting a page fully. You can also set a publish date and a hide date, so if you would like the page to be visible on a certain date and then also hide on a certain date, so for example, if you only sell memberships a few weeks out of the year, then you could play around with the publish and hide date. Since I am happy with this, I'm going to click Save on the bottom right, and then we can go ahead and preview our page via this preview button. Here we can see how our membership homepage is looking on our website, and since I am happy with this, I am now going to go ahead and create our membership options.